Hello everyone, I'm Ahana and I'm back with a new video. Today we will be unboxing two items from the new Lego Dots line. The first one being the Rainbow Jewelry stand and the second one being Extra Dot Series 2. Before I move on with the unboxing, I would like to address something. So I haven't been making videos for a long time now and I've got lots of messages asking me to make new videos and unboxing and stuff. So here I am and I'm back with a new video. So now we can go on to unbox, and now that we're unboxing, we're gonna do this Extra Dot Series 2 later, and we'll first move on with the jewelry stand. So now we're gonna get this box open, get the tape off. It's a little hard. Yeah. Okay, I've got it now. So we've got a little box with compartments and bags which have the bricks and the plates we need, and we've got all the decorating material to the side. We've also got our instruction booklet, instruction paper actually, and on the back side it has some decorating inspiration. And let's get building. So this is now multiple bags. Just one bag with the main things we need and the other bags with the different dots. So this is the base of the stand, and those gray pieces with the sticky uppy bits, they're going to be the pieces that hold the actual stand that make the standing part stand. And it's kind of hard to get this transparent piece on, but seriously, I love those teal colored pieces. They're absolutely gorgeous. They're so pretty. Oh, and where are they? I'm not finding the pieces I need. Okay, found them. Silver lining. Oh my god, the silver lining, the silver curved pieces are absolutely gorgeous, and I'm pretty sure they're new because I haven't seen them anywhere. It's got a spare silver bit, and we're on to the stand part of the stand. So this is the stand part of the stand. And yeah, we're putting lots of pieces on the back side because this is the part of the stand that holds the actual cloud, like the white cloud. So this needs to be very structurally safe and sound so that the white cloud doesn't fall. And we're putting on the white cloud now, and this white cloud is made out of two heart-shaped base plates. And we're almost done. We just need to put the plates on which we're actually going to be decorating: pink, purple, yellow, blue. And then we can put it on to the... Wait, no. First we need to get the pegs. So these pegs are what we're going to actually hang a jewelry on. And those dark blue pieces, they seem new. They seem brand new. I haven't seen those in any earlier sets before. And they look gorgeous. They are really gorgeous. I love them. And you're going to put them on those jumper studs and place them on the cloud. Now you can put these however you want, in any pattern or position you want. I'm just putting them in a cute smiley face. The smiley face with our eyes. Putting that plate back on, and we can put that on the stand now. See, isn't that just brilliant? And now it is time to decorate. Ooh, what is that? I haven't seen that. I didn't see that. What is that? Okay, let's check it out. Getting it out. Okay, so that's just a few sets. So those are a few sets that you can buy. So like the sets released at the same time as this set and some Lego Life stuff. And now we're gonna unbox the Extra Dot Series 2. I wonder what printed charms I'll get. And I actually love the packaging. So the Tensor Prize charms and 105 pieces. So 105 little dots. And these surprise charms are totally random. So okay. So the first charm, the first printed piece is a splatter. Ooh, and I love those colors and dots. They're just so gorgeous. Oh my god, this is so pretty. And the second one is an abstract piece. And then there's a me and there's a you. That's cute. That's friendship. That's so cute. Okay, and we've got another abstract piece. And we've got another me. And love. Ooh, what have we got? A dream bake. We've got dream bake. 2 dream bakes. That's good. We obviously do dream bake. Oh, and we've got a you. So 2 chocolate pairs, and we've got yes. And okay, so we're gonna use the extra dots to decorate the stand, and of course we're also gonna use these dots. That's obviously they come with the set. How can I do? Okay, this is. I think it's obvious. And we're getting all of them out of the bags. And now we're gonna start decorating. Got that in the wrong spot. Okay, got that off the stand so that it's easier to decorate, and put the dots just the way you want them, and some purple in the opposite direction. So my plan is to decorate with opposite colors, like yellow and purple are opposites. So the yellow is on the purple plate and the purple is on the yellow plate, and similarly for pink and blue. So first get all those dots on. And those are the pink ones. And there's a darker shade of pink, but I don't know what to call it. I'm not even sure of the name of the shade anyway. The transparent pieces are going on their own respective plates. Like the blue transparent pieces go on the blue plates, and the pink transparent pieces go on the pink plates. And now we got to start decorating this top part, the cloud. And I'm going to use the printed pieces to decorate that. So let's see. Okay, me and you on the sides, dream big in the center, and we can use that abstract to frame it, and the yes and the love on either side. And now we're just gonna experiment with the other dots that we have. I really feel sad for that splatter though. I couldn't really find a way to incorporate it into the pattern that I have in mind. So, but I mean, there are other custom builds. I do build a lot, so maybe I can find a use for that in one of my custom builds and mocks. Anyway, putting some dots to frame the sides of the cloud. And we just need to complete it, and voila, I am done. And now we need to put some jewelry in it, because it's a jewelry stand. So we've got a necklace and we've got a single earring now. Yeah, I do have a second one of that. I'm just not sure where it is. But we're gonna put the same one on anyway. And yeah, so that's the whole thing. That's the rainbow jewelry stand with the extra dot series too. And we've got lots of other dots, so we could just put them back in the packet. But I'll put that later. I'll put that off camera. Let's not waste your time with that. But the packaging is really so pretty. I mean, for the extra dots and the rainbow jewelry stand both. Really pretty. Anyway, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And look at the packaging is so pretty. Yeah. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Funstar AB, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.